drive, but second gear, I hit it kind of slower because my bike's fast.
Same.
Yeah.
My first gear goes like 40.
But yeah.
All right, mid-second throttle?
What's that?
Mid-second?
Yeah. I'll show you kind of like...
I'll speed check you. No way.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, we're all gonna die at some point, right? I know where I'm going. It makes it look really easy. That's a big bitch, dude.
You want to hit that one first?
Yeah. Yeah.
This other one first. The other one's a little closer.
Much closer.
You afraid you're gonna over jump it or something?
That's the only issue.
Yeah. This one here, if you hit it pretty hard second, it's pretty hard to OJ it.
Okay.
It is. It's a lot easier to come up short.
Yeah.
Like I hit it pretty hard, I land about in the middle.
Right. All right. Oh! Woo!
On the panic room.
Yeah, it kicks like a son of a bitch.
Yeah,
What do you mean?
Kinda
kicks?
You gotta save a little for the belly.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I go,
Yep.
otherwise,
You gotta get up it instead of cruise off of it.
yeah,
A little more.
You can over jump, you got a long downhill. You just gotta fly it out. I saw you let up, got a little timid.
I didn't let up, I just cruised up it instead of
you got
fucking
brought
goosing
it
the
up.
shit out of it, right?
Yeah. It has a belly, you know?
Yeah.
Good, dude. Well, at least you hit it.
Almost.
I hit it. I hit it.
Exactly what you did is exactly what I knew you were going to do.
Hey, thanks.
Everyone does that.
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me that?
I told you, I said you're probably going to case it, then you're going to OJ it.
Right.
Like, if you're going to case it, you're probably not going to OJ it.
You got
second
some
gear.
whiskey, dude. Did you
That
think
was
you were
solid
gonna go
front
to
wheel.
Did-did-did-did-did.
Yeah. Because it leveled me out and then I started tipping and I was like, oh.
Thank God you panic revved.
Yeah, I was like, well, we're bringing this front end back up one way or another.
Yeah, that's a little hard right now.
It's so hard to judge the angle.
Where did I even land?
At the top right,
Right.
there.
Like right in the middle?
You were like right here, probably.
Yeah, you're lucky there's a safety deck, a big one.
Dude, if there wasn't a safety deck, you would have hit
Yeah,
those
that
so
would've
hard.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, a little farther back and you would have been down that.
I always put a big.
Thank God for Factory Connection keeping me safe. You soaked that one up. Damn.
That's fucking Kyle. That's like Kyle Regal's old bike, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. He's gonna be like shaking his head when he sees what you're fucking doing.
He don't care. You gave it away. When you trade someone their championship 250, they really don't care. Take whatever you want, dude. I want my bike back.
Hayden, did you want to go down to the page?